Hi friends, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty. Now see the answers for forensic laboratory exam. The hydrogen 1s atomic orbital wave function psi 1s equal to 1 by root pi into 1 by a naught into 1 by a naught whole power 3 by 2 into e power minus r by a naught. At what value of r the wave function is 0? Okay, say this. At node, wave function psi square equal to 0. Psi square equal to 0 at node. That means at node, the probability of finding electron density is 0. Generally, inside the atom, at which place the probability of finding an electron density is 0, that is called node. So, this 0 electron density is observed. This is observed at infinite distance from nucleus. Therefore, r equal to infinity. Hence, we can conclude for r equal to infinity, the wave function is 0. Then, what is the option? Option D is the answer. Next, a metal crystallizes in a face-centered cubic lattice structure with a unit cell length of 400 picometers. The sine square theta value calculated from Bragg's equation for the first order diffraction line from 111 planes using X-ray radiation of wavelength 150 picometer is, see here, write down given values. Given unit cell length A equal to 400 picometers. First order diffraction means N equal to 1 for 111 plane and for FCC face centered cubic lattice structure. Distance between the planes DHKL equal to A by square root of H square plus K square plus L square. Here plane is 111, that's why H value 1, K value 1, L value 1. Substitute here, then we can get distance between the planes is 230.94 picometers. Now, Bragg's equation is n lambda equal to 2d sine theta. Sine theta we want, so sine theta equal to n lambda by 2d. Substitute n value, lambda it is given in the question, 2 into d. In the previous step we calculated. Substitute, then we can get sine theta, this one. From this, sine square theta equal to 0.1054. Then what is the option? Option C is the answer. Next, the major product of the following reaction is an organic compound is treated with, this compound is treated with dilute H2SO4. We should find out product. See the reaction. So this is the reactant. Dilute H2SO4 is treated. OH group is substituted. OH group substituted means here also OH group is substituted at this position. Then at this position also OH group is substituted. Same thing. This compound is treated with dilute H2SO4, then OH group is substituted here, here also. From this structure we can write in this way also. This and this both are same. Now, from this OH, from this hydrogen removed in the form of water, OH hydrogen removed in the form of water. Here double bond is formed, here ring is closed. Then we can get this structure. It is simple. Okay students, we'll meet you in the next class.